Welcome to Lady Sane Bedtime Meditation. If you're here now, it means you've chosen to care for yourself at the end of the day. That choice, to pause, to breathe, to be gentle with yourself, is already enough. Before we begin, take a slow look back at the day. So many things asked for your attention. Some went well, some did not, and yet you made it here to this quiet moment. That itself deserves kindness. Tonight, we'll let go of the noise of the world. We'll clear the mind, ease the body, and return to peace. Take a slow breath in and let it out gently. Again, inhale calm, exhale the day. Feel how each breath changes the air inside you. The inhale lifts you. The exhale softens you. There's no rush. Your only task now is to breathe. Cheerful or productive. The world will keep turning without your effort for a while. Let yourself step out of all expectations, even your own. This is a space where nothing is required. Just breathe. Just be here. Feel your body lying down. Notice the way the bed holds you. Steady, kind, forgiving. The pillow beneath your head, the blanket touching your skin. Everything around you supports your rest. Gravity is your friend tonight. You can let go completely. Let your body be as heavy as it wishes. Let the earth carry your weight. Whatever happened today, you don't need to carry it through the night. Let each thought, each image, each unfinished story dissolve like ink dispersing in still water. You don't have to chase it or understand it. Let it fade into quiet. Even the body remembers the day. In the shoulders, in the chest, in the breath. Let those memories loosen now. You are safe to release them. If there was something you wish had gone differently, something left unsaid, breathe it out now. You did enough. You were enough. And you are still enough. Let forgiveness move gently through you. Not as words, but as warmth spreading in the chest. You don't need to try to forgive. You only need to stop holding on. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. Let the small muscles around your eyes release. Imagine soft snow falling in the landscape of your mind. Each flake landing quietly, muting every sound until all that remains is stillness. Thoughts may still appear. That's fine. Let them drift through the snowfall. You don't have to follow. You don't have to stop them. Just let them pass. Now, in the quiet of your own heart, repeat softly, I release this day. I am safe to rest. I am loved even in silence. I forgive myself and others. I welcome peace. Feel these words land inside you. They don't need to be believed instantly. Just let them echo. Let them rest in your body, like seeds planted in calm soil. Feel how the air touches your skin. Cool, kind, alive. The night isn't against you. It's wrapping around you, like soft water holding a leaf. Your heartbeat is steady. Your breath is gentle. Each inhale is a small return to yourself. Each exhale, a quiet thank you. Somewhere in the distance, the world keeps turning. Here, there is only rest. Let yourself drift, not trying to sleep, just allowing rest to find you. You've done enough for one day. You can stop now. You can rest. Let your breath grow slower, your body heavier, your mind lighter. Soft pause, almost a whisper. Good night. You are safe. You are free. You are home.
thank you for your practice. If this session brought you calm, feel free to come back anytime.